So for the knitted cast on, I'm going to start with a slip knot. So we've got a separate video for that if you wanted to learn how to do that. And I'm going to pop that onto one of my needles. And you want to tighten it just enough so that it's not baggy, but you still want it to be able to slide up and down the needle. And we're going to pop this needle in our left hand. Now we're going to take the other one, and we're going to put the needle tip of the right hand needle into this stitch here, and we're going underneath, so we're going from left to right into that loop, and we're pushing the needle behind so that it creates almost like a cross. Then if you grab your yarn, the working yarn, the long one that's attached to the ball, to move the other one out of the way, and we're going to wrap that around that back needle anti-clockwise, and then just hold it there. If you hold it against the needle, that just stops it slipping away. Now you're going to slide the needle tip back, and as you're doing that you sort of tilt so that it pulls that loop that you've wrapped around and grabs it with the tip of the needle and pull it through. And then we're going to keep our finger on this one here, stop it sliding away from us, and we're going to put the stitch back onto that needle. And you can see it's a little bit loose here, so I'm just going to tighten it a little bit by pulling the yarn, but I don't want it to be too tight because I need to be able to get my needle back into there. So let's do that again. Okay, so this time we're going to insert into the stitch that's nearest the end of the needle, so it's going into the loop, so make sure it goes into the loop and then crosses behind. Grab your yarn, wrap it around anti-clockwise so that it goes between the needles, and just keep it secure. Pull the needle tip back, you can use your finger to help, and pull that loop through. Then we're going to make sure we hold our stitches with this finger, pull the loop up and back onto the needle. Just tighten very slightly. Like I say, we still need to be able to get the needle back in, so you don't want it too tight. So just repeat until you've got the right amount of stitches. So we go in to the stitch, wrap the yarn around, hold, slide it back to pull the loop and the needle tip through, and then we're going to put our needle tips together and slide the stitch back on. Just tighten slightly, so just carry on like this. Okay, so once you get used to tensioning the yarn in your hand, you don't need to manually wrap it round with your whole movement of your hand each time. You can just keep it tensioned on your finger, but obviously this just takes practice, and then it's a little bit simpler to cast on because you're not having to let go of the yarn each time. So we're just wrapping it around with our finger, popping the stitch on. It's the same process, just a little bit quicker the way that you're holding the yarn.